clase es Señora Group. Hoy es miércoles el 26 de enero 2022. It is Wednesday, January 26th, and we are having an e-learning day due to the extreme cold. Hopefully you are staying nice and warm. So here is what you're going to do today. You are actually going to do a little bit of a cultural assignment today. So after you have watched this video, what you need to do is scroll down and you are going to watch this YouTube video about piñatas. And so you may think you know a lot of information about piñatas already, but watch carefully in the video because there's some new information you may learn. After you are finished watching the video, you are going to need to share some of the information you learned. So you may want to jot down some notes, or you can have the Google Doc that you will type on open while you are watching the video so that you can fill that out. Do whatever works best for you. So, like I said, you will have a Google Doc that you will need to complete after you have watched the video about piñatas. So, when you scroll all the way down, you can see here, it's just like our Para and Pesar. So, you're going to click on the blue link, and it's going to take you out to the actual assignment. It's called La Piñata 321. And it just says, after watching the YouTube video about piñatas, answer the questions below. And your answers should be typed in complete sentences. So the first thing you need to do is list 3 things you learned from the video. The next thing you need to do is share 2 items you found interesting from the video. And then the last one is, what is one question you still have about piñatas? So what's one thing that you still wonder about? Once you have finished, remember, you will close that out. And then for you over here, there'll be a blue submit. You'll submit. It'll show a timestamp under here showing that it's been submitted. And then that is what you need to do as far as work in relation to watching that video for today. After you've finished that, then I would go ahead and review your basic conversation vocabulary. Remember, you are scheduled to have a test on Tuesday, February 1st, and the 3 sets that we are working on, basic greetings, more greetings, and common phrases. Those are linked right there to the Quizlet set. You can click those links and go out and do a pretend test. You can play the game called Match. Work on those words and continue practicing them. You could even teach someone at home some of those phrases today. And so that's a great way to practice as well. Make sure you have worked on your Para and Pesar for this week. Remember, you can submit that as soon as it is done. And then just make sure you've done your attendance check-in through the guidance course in Canvas. Let me know if you have any questions or need help. Just send me a message through Canvas and I'm happy to help you. Tenga un buen día. I will see you tomorrow. Adios, mis estudiantes.